Hi everyone, welcome to Digital Unit. In this video, we'll discuss about what is off-page SEO. So off-page SEO, off-site SEO is a set of technique that improve a website ranking on search engine result page by building its reputation and authority outside of the website. What it's mean? What is the search engine result page? The search engine result page, like we have searched for the what is off-page SEO. So the result displayed here. All the result displayed here. So this page is known as the search engine result page, SERP. So in this off-page SEO, we will not work on our website. We will work on another kind of the website. It can be like different website, high DA, high PA website. So from that will get a link. So what is the benefit of the off-page SEO? It will help our website reputation. It will help in building of our website reputation and authority of our website, and the term of the domain authority and the term of the page authority. We can see the example of the off-page SEO, like suppose if you create a house and you create completed house, so the house will not be filled via the, if the house is not fulfilled by the members, like if the visitors is not coming on your house, then this is not valuable. If you're not living, if your friend circle is not coming in the house, so no one can see like what kind of the interior of the house is. So in this particular way, we can see that like in the same way, off-page SEO, we will create the multiple backlinks on the different website, and from that website Google will think that this website is good. So Google will start engaging the ranking of our website. So there are the many off-page activity, SEO activity include like the backlinks, social media, guest posting, Google My Business profile, brand mention, PR activity, image submission, classified listing, business listing. There will be multiple kind of the activity that we will do in the off-page SEO. So off-page SEO is similar to word of mouth marketing, as it's digital record what people are saying about your brands. Like basically in the off-page SEO, we have to create the backlinks on the different website, and from this backlinks we will gain the reputation about our company, about our brand, and authority outside the website. So this is the main part, and this is the simplest example. If you build a house, the interior is very good. If no visitors is coming on your website if no visitor come to your house to see like what kind of the decoration you have done, what kind of the interior you have done. So in the same way, if you will not if you not tell the Google like via the another persons, like the visitor is coming to our house to see the house. So in this same way, we have to firstly connect with them. We have to firstly create the backlinks on many different high DA, high PA website, and from that we will get a link. We will get the authority of our domains. So after that, the keyword ranking will be started in the search engine result page. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care.